What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So I'll show you how I got these cute Louis Vuitton nails, and we're gonna get right into the video. So I do always start my videos off with my tips already prepped. So if you want to see how I prep my natural nails, that link to that video is in the description box below. But anyways, I am using Super White from Valentino, and I'm just going through and doing my regular application for all the nails. All the nails will be white because the overall design, the base color will be white. And when I'm working with regular polish, which I always do when I do designs, it's a lot easier to have the base color be acrylic. That way, if I do mess up, I can use acetone and clean it up much more easier, because if I use the base color as regular polish, then the acetone will mess up the base color as well. So it's just easier to have the base color as acrylic. So that's why I'm just going through with the white. As far as my regular application, I'm just taking beads and putting them at the tip and then working my way up. And like I just did there, you do want to push the bead upwards first and then drag it downwards to make sure that it's a little bit more thinner towards the top of the bead, so that when you put the next bead on top, it's not going to be a bump right there. You know, it's not going to be super thick right there. So when you drag it over top, it'll be very even. As far as working towards the cuticle area, you don't want to put it directly at the cuticle area. You want to put it kind of downwards and then push it up into the cuticle, because you want it to look very flush, like almost it's a natural nail. You don't want it to be super bumpy right there and look fake, you know. So, and then you're going to drag it downwards to create that apex. As far as shaping, I did create a very detailed video to how I shape, and that is actually in the description box below. So if you want to figure that out, then you can go ahead and watch that video. But as far as this video, I'm just going to let you watch what I do. Then I go through and buff, and I like to buff with the rougher side and then the smoother side just to give a smoother surface on top of the nail. I did have this client go and wash her hands. So once she did that, we got right into the designs, and I'm taking my nail art brush and I'm going in with this bluish polish. This is regular polish, and I'm just creating this LV design. And then with this, you want to make sure that you have enough polish on your brush so that you're getting a smooth enough line and not like a streaky line where it's not enough paint. But you want to make sure it's not too much paint to where it's a big glob on your brush, if that makes sense. So you want just the right amount of paint to create the design. Also, when you're working with lines, you want to be steady but move sort of quickly, because if you go too slow, you're going to start thinking too much and you're just going to start shaking and it's going to mess the line up. So you want to be steady and quick with lines. Once the designs are finished, I do go in with my natural nail base coat from OPI. This is a regular polished base coat. And I go over the acrylic with this. And I like to do this just to make sure that the gel top coats don't peel off, because I feel like they can peel off more when they're directly on top of the acrylic. So I like to just have something in between. Then I'm going through and I will be applying chrome. So to do that, I'm using my E-Nail Couture Gel Top Coat. And this is one of the best top coats to do chrome with. And I'll put it in the lamp for 5 seconds. Then I'll take it out, and I like to use my finger. You can use a rubbing tool, but I personally like my finger better because I feel like it gives a better effect. And you just want to rub it all over the nail. And you don't have to cure it again. You can just wait till you top coat it after that. But I'll be doing the same thing to the thumb. I will be going in to add my pixies, and to do that I'm adding my gummy jelly. It's the same way I do any diamonds. So I'm adding my gummy jelly, and then I'll add my top coat on top and just apply the pixies and clean them up with my tweezers just to make sure there's none going off anywhere. And then I will cure that for 60 seconds. Once I added all my diamonds, I'm going in with my Valentino top coat, and I'll just top coat the rest of the fingers. Then I will be curing everything for 60 seconds. Once all of that is done, you guys know I have to go through and apply my cuticle oil, and then these nails will be finished. And these nails came out pretty cute. I love the chrome effect with the Louis Vuitton and just the bright white colors, and I love that we did the blue with this. You know, it's very different. I like this set, but I just want to thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.